What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can find the King's Dagger in Crimson Desert. If you're up for hunting game and taking their hides, then you don't want to miss this dagger. The King's Dagger has 16 points in attack, has a level 5 critical rate, and level 1 attack speed. Its best feature, the 10% chance to skin additional hide from the animals you hunt. You'll find this dagger on Paylun, literally beside Paylun's letter N, on an enemy camp called Totemfelt. Just a warning though, this area is teeming with enemies, so you'll face a lot of resistance on your journey. When you reach the location, you might need to clear the place of enemies first, unless you're clever and sneaky enough. If the coast is clear or if you've snuck your way in, our next target is this headstone in the middle of the camp. You can't miss it. Just approach it and do the force palm. The headstone will react and it will open up a hidden entrance behind it. Go down that secret entrance and there you'll find the chest. Loot it and you just got a premium hunting knife. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.